Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you are using an administrator account. This is required to change sign-in options. Once signed in, open Start, select Settings, then Accounts and Sign-in Options. Make sure your system is up to date and you have a quick backup of any important files before making changes. This avoids losing access if something goes wrong. Now locate Windows Hello options in the Sign-in Options list, so you can start disabling the specific methods you no longer want. You will now remove each Windows Hello method one at a time. Click the configured method like Face, Fingerprint, or Pin, then choose Remove or Disable and follow the prompts. If the OS asks for your current PIN or password, enter it to confirm. Administrative approval may be needed for some changes. If you see a grayed out option, make sure group policies or device encryption aren't enforcing it. Keep going methodically until no Windows Hello items remain listed. After removing methods, restart the PC so settings fully apply across the system. Once rebooted, return to Settings Account's Sign-in Options to confirm Windows Hello entries are gone. If an option persists, check Local Group Policy Editor or Registry settings that may force Windows Hello. You may need to disable policies under Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates Windows Components Biometrics, and Face Recognition. If problems continue, use an administrator account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.